Okay, good day everyone. No, today we're going to have this topic, no, life cycle of humans. So, di ba, we are going to know, no, life cycle of humans, no, from birth or from conception, no, or gikan pa ta to pagkaburo, o gikan pa sa pagburo sa ato ang parent, and then until we grow, no. So that's what we are going to know this time, no? So there are seven important life stages in the human life cycle. So na IP2. Okay, it starts with fertilization followed by series of growth and development that forms the succeeding stages: fetus, baby, childhood, adolescence, adulthood, and elderly. So the life, no, ang human life it starts with a human life starts with fertilization. So pag nanay fertilization, so now that's now the start of life. Okay, that's the beginning. No, that's the beginning of life. Okay, so fertilization. So what do we mean by fertilization? What is fertilization? No, the human life begins with the father's sperm cell unites with a mother's egg cell in a process called fertilization. So, father's sperm cell and the mother egg cell when they meet, no, when they unite, no, father's sperm cell, no, when it is unites with the mother's egg cell, now that's the start of fertilization and that's the start of life. Now the fertilized egg called the zygote will continue to develop and becomes an embryo. So mahimo siya og embryo. The next, no, fetus. So what is fetus? So unsa din ang fetus, no? Okay, fetus, no, the embryo will continue to develop and becomes a fetus. And a fetus is a human developmental stage between the embryonic state and birth. So ang fetus, okay, so it is now a form, no? A form of life, form of human, no? Developmental stage na siya. The fetus receives oxygen and nourishment from through the placenta. No, ang placenta, it is the one responsible for giving nourishment. No, diya ginakuha sa baby ang mo kana siya ang supply of nourishment, no, food, oxygen, no, for the developmental of the fetus or the of the life, no, ang nadito as months pass, no, by the fetus continues to grow and develop vital organs. So, vital organs, no, mo develop na siya, makita na siya, no. On the ninth month, the baby is ready to born, no. So, kita or kamo, no, we are no 9 months, no, gi-carry ta sa ato ang sa babae, no, sa atong mother, no. So 9 months ta guys stay inside the womb of our mother. Okay? So 9 months, no, sa sulod sa tiyan sa babae or sulod sa tiyan um sa sa inyong mother. So lahi 9 months, no, in humans, but to animals, no, labi na mga baka, kabaw, mas mabot sila 1 year. Sa human, no, it will take 9 months, no, pa, sa pagburos, no, padulong sa pagpanganak. Okay, next, no, this is now the embryonic developmental, no. So kita ninyo diha. So mao na siyang embryonic developmental, no. That's how we start. Okay, so ingon ana nagsugod ang ato ang life, no. Ingon ana ta nagsugod, no. So gikan ta sa fertilized eggs, no, and then na mga stages natong giagihan, okay? So one. Okay, next, no? So, pag-anak, no? Pag-anak, no? After 9 months, pag-anak. So, ang una na stage, no? The first stage is the infant, okay? From 0 to 1 year old, no? So, unsa may mga, what are the things, no? In this stage, no? So, unsa may mga ginabuhat, no? What are the mga ginabuhat sa usa ka infant, no? After 9 months of mother's pregnancy, the baby will be born. At this stage, babies are very dependent on their parents to survive since their body structures are still fragile and developing in their first years. So 9 months, no, your mother, no, carried carry you for 9 months or conceive you for 9 months, no, nata sa tiyan for 9 months, then after pagpanganak, infant. Okay, so pag-anak ang tawagan na infant. So at this stage, no, the baby, no, kana paging baby, it is very dependent to his mother. Okay, so bisang sa animals, okay, makakita ka og goat nga gipanganak. Okay, dili pa na siya mukha ng sagbot, no, magtutoy pa na siya. Okay, anak pud ta, no, di ba? Di ba, dili pa nato kaya nga muhungit og pagkaon. We could not walk, no, during this time. Wala pa, puro pa pag tutoy sa mama, pag padidion sa mama, pag muhilak, ilisan, di ba? The developing human spend most of its time sleeping. So sigara nang katulog, no, sa infant, no, kanang 0 to 1 year old, no, sigara katulog. So I know namoy mga pag-umangkon nga infant pa mo pay pag-anak kanang 9 months pa, 3 months pa na inyo ha. Okay, this stage is crucial for brain development as the rate is faster and learning new skills from crawling to sitting, then walking are expected. They also learn how to understand words and speak on their own, no? So at this stage, no, very crucial brain development, di ba? So at this stage, puro pa na sila grabbing, okay? Ang infant, no, puro pa na grabbing, no? Sigurag ana sa gunit-gunit, di ba? Okay, have you observed that one, no? Nabo mo yung mga pagumangkon or mga igsoon nga yung na pang edad or ning agi, yes, no, ning agi mong kitang no? When if you have a sister or brother, okay, and then you observe, no? And then nakita niyo, you witness sa iyong pagdako hadto sa karon, no? So sige pa na siya grab, okay? Di ba? Makita mo, di ba? Hello, no? Di ba? Mag-ana or magkatawa-katawa, di ba? So sige, ana-ana. Okay? So, napo na sila ng ginatawag nga, they also learn how to understand words and speak on their own, no? So, kana sila, gusto nila i-express, no? Ba, anak, di ba ang bata? Di ba? Di ba? Tama ba? Okay, and we have the childhood, no? The next stage, no, after infant, the childhood, no, from 1 to 12 years old, and you, no, you belong to childhood, no? Namo karon sa childhood stage, no? In this stage, children develop more basic skills like running, jumping, reading, and writing, no? Very observable ni siya na mga things, no, or na mga butang sa usa ka nga naal na sa childhood, no, kanang na sa 1 to 12 years old, no. Sige kabalo na sila mo lakaw, kabalo na sila mo kabalo na mo musulat, reading, no, and muscles are more developed and fats from infant stage is reduced, no, tong fats ma-reduce na siya. Okay, so have you observed, no, infant, no, di ba itong last ba infant, di ba makita mo kanang burag ang panit or ang lawas sa usa ka infant kanang burot siya ba, burag tambok ba, di ba? So kato siya, it will be developed it will be reduced. Okay, reduce kay mulin man to siya, mulin and then mo muscles. Okay? Childhood may be divided into 3 stages. So 3 stages. Okay, ang childhood is divided into 3 stages. Una, toddlers, no? Tung 1 to 3 years old, no? Ang tawag sa inyo ha, when you were between in 1 to 3 years old, no, this stage of toddler ang tawag. Okay, this stage of human life is the best time of different cognitive, emotional, and social development. It means cognitive, no, kanang imuhang pangutok. Okay, kanang developmental sa imuhang brain. And then emotional, no, and then social development. Cognitive, it means you are now saying words, no, practicing magsulti of words, mama, papa, adto, ana, di ba? And then recognizing numbers. Then emotional, no? So kabalo na at this stage, no, kabalo mo hilak, di ba? Imong sungugon, di ba? Ang toddlers, di ba? Kanang 1 to 3 years old, pag imong sungugon, muhilak, no, di ba? And then social development, no? So makipag-socialize na with others. And next, no, we have the preschoolers, no. So kini mga preschoolers, no, from 4 to 6 years old, no. At this stage, children learn the basics in school like reading, writing, basic mathematics, or even playing musical instruments. So 4 to 6 years old, no, nanay buot, no. So no, 4 to 6 years old, no, ang uban nanay ginapa kabalo na ginapa eskwela, okay, no. So kabalo na mo sulat, no? Ga-practice na pagsulat, and then ang uban man gani no 4 to 6 years old karon kay kabalo na mag-TikTok, tama ba? No, 4 to 6 years old kabalo na gani mag-TikTok kani nang kuan kanang nasa 4 to 6 years old karon, no? So mo na siya mga things nga pag na ang usa ka tawo na nasa 4 to 6 preschoolers na, and then the primary schoolers kamo, di ba? 7 to 12 years old mo karon, di ba? Tama ba? Di ba? Ang uban sino 9, 8, 10. Tama ba? No? So in this stage, children start to develop skills like socializing or making friends. So very observable, no? Kamo, di ba? Kabalo na mo makipag-socialize. It means socialize, no? Dili social, no? So socialize, kanang inyong pakipag-meet sa uban, no? Pakipag-mingle sa uban, no? Pakipag-communicate, pakipag halubilo sa uban, no? Pakipag-amigo, no? So that's what socialization means, no? Kanang inyong pakipag kaibigan, no? Nga pakipag-communicate, no? So wala na, observable lang kamo, no? Namo sa childhood, no? Namo sa childhood, and then the childhood is divided into 3 stages, and then namo karon sa primary schoolers. Okay? So adolescence. So after ninyo ani, no? After ninyo sa elementary, when you will be in high school, junior high, so you are now an adolescence, no? The stage where children prepare into adulthood, no? In their teenage years is called puberty. So it means puberty, that's now the stage, no, where magka-pubic hair na. It means, no, nanay mga kanang sa ilok, nanay mga mutubo. And then sa ato atong private part, no, nanay anam-anam na mo turok na mga turok, nanay mga mo sorry, no, nanay mga mo kanang ginatawag nato nga pubic hair, no, sa atong mga private parts, no. So next, no, teenagers, no, please be open-minded, no, kay this is part of our life now po, no. So teenagers experience sudden changes in their body, so nay mga changes sa lawas. No, the physical and behavioral changes they encounter prepare them for the next stage of their life, which is the adulthood, no. So ang kanang teenagers, no, if you will be in teenagers, so nanay mga changes sa inyong body, no, sa physically, no, mao lagi to nanay mga yung pubic hair, no, kanang mga sa ilok, no, sa mga lalaki, and then sa atong private part po, no, nanay mga kanang pubic hair nga mo mutubo, and then we have now the adulthood, no. So ako sa karon sa adulthood, no. So ang adulthood, no, is categorized into 3 stages. Una, young adults, no, 20 to 35 years old, no. In this stage, humans are now ready to assume new responsibilities like having a job and being parents to their children. Adults may start a new life cycle by producing their own child, no, at this stage, no. 20 to 35 years old, no? Nana sila yung mga responsibilities, no? For example, nana sila yung job, nana sila yung business, and then pwede na po sila magkapamilya, okay? Pwede na po sila mag-produce ng ilang anak. So, and then the middle-aged adults, no, from 36 to 55 years old, no? In this time, many changes may occur as the body slow down and become sensitive to the food composition and stress. So, kini nga stage sa adulthood, no, in this stage, no, 36 to 55 years old, this is the time nga magkaanam-anam nagka-weak ang lawas sa individual. It means no, so his strength when he was in the young adults dili na the same karon nanana sa middle age, and then sensitive na sa pagkaon, no. Kanang makakita mo kanang mga 50 years old, no, inyong mga auntie, inyong mga mama, okay, or inyong mga tito nga nana dia sa middle age adults, no, nana 36 to 55 years old. So if you observe them, no, makita nimo nga they are sensitive sa mga pagkaon, no, dili na kay kumukaon na kay dugay na daw siya ang ilang metabolism, no, ana. So, and then the older adults, no, from 55 to 65 years old, the muscles and joints can become weaker and stiff. But proper diet and exercise during adulthood can reduce aging effects. So, pagka magkatigulang na ta, no, pag nanata sa older adults, no, 55 to 65 years old, no, our muscles become weaker, no? So kung makikita mo na diha ng mga stage, di ba, mulaylay na ilang diri, magkunot-kunot na usahay, and then they need a proper diet, no, for proper maintenance, no, for proper maintenance of their composure, no, kung athletics, so kinahanglan ni proper diet, pero mailhan na nimo nga uy kini siya nagkaedad na siya, athletics siya, pero mailhan nimo siya kay magka kunot-kunot na sa ano, you will ensure that one, no, kunot-kunot na siya. Okay, so ang uban ga maintenance na, no, ang uban, no, during this kining adulthood, no, during in this stage of adulthood, no, kining older adults, no, nanay mga maintenance nila nga gina-intake, no, mostly. Okay, so we have the elderly. Okay, the last stage of human life is elderly. Okay, in this stage, hair becomes thinner, loses its color, and becomes gray. Bones becomes brittle and break easily. So this is now the last part of the last stage of our life. Okay, so mo ni siya ang last part or last stage sa human life. Okay, so in this stage, no, nanay mga upaw na ang uban, no, upaw na, no, bura nag-obispo ba or kan ba upaw na ang diri and then puti na ang buhok, no, di ba, ato mga grandlola nato. This is the stage wherein humans are expected to deteriorate the unexperienced death. So mao na gini siya. Okay, so the average lifespan of human can range from 70 to 85 years old, no, so that's the average. I don't know unsa ni ng country, but naman ay by country naman ay mga average lifespan, no, sa Philippines, sa Japan, lahi, no. Okay, the lifespan of humans can be longer or shorter depending on the health conditions as well as the environment, no. A healthy lifestyle can increase the human lifespan. So ang lifespan nato, no, can be shorter or longer, no, depending on the health conditions, no, depende sa atuang health conditions and then sa atuang lifestyle. No, it means, no, if we have a healthy lifestyle, we can increase our lifespan. No, because me, no, I have classmates, no, I have batchmates, no, nga wala na sila kaabot sa middle adulthood, no. So it means, no, they pass away because naigo sila sakit, no, or sa ila pong lifestyle, no. So it means that we are not sure of if we can take those stages, no. But the most important is to have a healthy lifestyle and then having a good relation with God, no, and having obeying God, praying to God to help you to have a longer life or longer lifespan, no. So depende, no. So if we have a good lifestyle, probably we could increase our lifespan on earth, no. So posible mo taas pa, mo stretch pa ato ang pagpakinabuhi diri sa kalibutan, no. So ingana na siya. Okay, so let's proceed to the so these are the key points. Okay, so let's proceed. What is another term used to describe the fertilized egg? So ang tawag niya zygote. Okay, so the other term used is zygote. And then, no, a zygote is formed when fertilization between the egg cell and the sperm cell takes place. It will later develop into an embryo. Okay, a person wears eyeglasses and walks with a cane. He also has gray hair and wrinkled skin. At what stage of life does this person belong? So unsa nga ginatawag na nato elderly, no? Pag gray na ang buhok, ako sa una napud ko yung mga puti pud nga mga buhok, no. When I was in high school, no, napud ko yung mga puti pud nga mga buhok, pero nawala siya pagka edad na ko 20. Okay? Siguro sa stress na to, no? The last stage of human life is elderly. In this stage, hair becomes thinner, no? Loses its color and becomes gray. Bones become brittle and break easily. So sensitive na po ng mga tigulang, no. So medyo maglisod na po na sila glakaw kanang mga elderly, kanang nasa mga 70 to 85 years old, no. Next, no, what is the benefit of having a healthy lifestyle, no? So next is healthy lifestyle can increase the human lifespan, no. So Have you watched? Have you read the report, or have you the breaking news that the oldest nga pinakatigwa nga tao sa kalibutan namatay na at the age of 100 pila to kapin, no, sa Japan to. Okay, so nasa mga 100 kapin ang iyang edad, no. So because also during siguro nasa healthy lifestyle, no, matong niabot siya mga 100 kapin, no, diri abot sa Pilipinas abot to isa pod, no, naning abot siya 100 pod pero namatay hapon siya. Next, no, a human developmental stage between the embryonic state and birth, no, that's what we call fetus. Okay, what are development, no? What are development during childhood stage, no? So, develop more basic skills like running, jumping, reading, and writing. In which life stage does humans experience puberty? No, during adolescence. Okay, this stage of human life cycle is the best time of different cognitive, emotional, and social development and toddlers. Okay, in this stage, humans are now ready to assume new responsibilities like having a job and being parents to their children. Tawag na to ano niya, young adults. Okay, how many months the fetus would the fetus grow and develop inside the mother's womb? No, it will take 9 months. Okay, this is the stage wherein humans are expected to deteriorate and experience death. No, tawag na to elderly, no, the last part of our life. Okay, so thanks for joining, and thanks for watching this video, and hoping you learn from this video. Thank you.